Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of TANIUM Institute of English Speaking. I am Dakshita Jhala and today we are going to have a group discussion on a very interesting topic, e-learning. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press all the bell icons for the new updates of the group discussions. Today we are having two brilliant spokesperson between us. One side Mrs. Smriti ma'am and on the other side Mr. Yuvraj. So today they are going to exchange their points. So if you guys have any question, any queries regarding their stuff, please mention in the comment section as we always welcome your feedback also. So who is going to initiate the GD?
Good morning everyone. My name is Smriti Jain. I have master degree in English and bachelor degree in education. Recently I am pursuing PhD from DAVV Indore. As we all know that today our topic is e-learning. So I am in favor of e-learning. Guys, what is e-learning? Does it just happen? No, e-learning doesn't just happen. It requires a careful planning and implementation. We can define e-learning as instructions delivered through digital devices with the internet of supporting learning. It enabled electronically and conducted on the internet where students can access their learning material online at any place and time. E-learning is providing training and development to the students and employees through various electronic media as audios and videos, etc. Now, what are the values of e-learning? E-learning is both cost effective and cost efficient. It removes geographical obstacles often associated with traditional classrooms and education. Now I have a question. If you want to search something, so will you find the matter in any book or to ask someone? No. Today people first search for their queries on the internet rather than looking for books or asking someone. And according to the psychology, audiovisual method of teaching leads to disciplined learning environment. And it is important in current situation because the competition is rising and the world is also growing. There are interactive classes, online courses, online lectures, video conferencing, live chats. So teaching and learning both become simpler, easier and more effective. Now the benefits of e-learning. E-learning is based upon the convenience and flexibility. So students can access their studying material unlimited times. It is beneficial for the adult learner also because they are often forced to balance the family duties, learning and employment together. And companies use the e-learning as to boost the knowledge, skills and overall productivity of their employees. It is the boon to the environment because paperless teaching has contributed a lot to saving the trees. So in digital world, one can't ignore the importance of e-learning education. And this is from my side. If you have any query, you can ask.
Yeah, ma'am, you spoke amazingly. But I have a question. You said that people are searching for their queries on internet rather than looking books or asking someone. But we all know that there are a lot of information on the internet regarding any query. So people can be confused and sometimes they don't know what is wrong and what is right. So don't you think that a professional person can help them in a better way?
It may be there, but nowadays whatever information we collect from the internet, that is also given by some experts. So I think you have various options on the same topic that broaden the mind of the students.
Yeah. I have another question. You said that student can access study material unlimited times, right? So don't you think that they can become a procrastinating because they have an option of studying later?
If I think if a student want to learn really, he will never procrastinate. And sometimes students have the genuine reasons that they couldn't attend the class. And in that situation, e-learning is beneficial for them because they have the option of studying later.
Okay, so it's right time to listen to the challenges also. So you are going to oppose this topic, right?
Yeah. Now I am Yuvraj Patel and I have done my graduation. Now I will speak about the challenges of e-learning, right? Now my first point is on online courses the self-discipline is highly required, right? At home you can be distracted by so many different things. Maybe your phone is ringing all the time, or you get many messages every day, or maybe you are just tired and unmotivated. All those things can prevent you from effective learning. And my second point is less individual support. An important issue with online courses is that they usually provide less individual support. For example, if you attend courses at university, you could ask question personally at any time. But however, in online courses, you might have to wait for a few days until you get a response. My third point is people with learning disabilities may need personal education. There are some students who need much more personal assistance due to their learning disabilities. Right? So those students are not able to learn properly through the online courses. So for some group of students, e-learning may not be suitable. They need some personal assistance. Thank you. If you have any query, then please ask.
Mr. Yuvraj, you spoke very well, but I have a question. As you mentioned in your speech that it requires self-discipline and you can be distracted, like ring of your mobile can distract you. So I think self-discipline is the ability to do what you should be doing. If your mobile can distract you or whatever your which things can distract you, you can keep it away at the time of learning, like you can keep the mobile silent mode. So what do you think about it?
Yeah, you have a nice question, ma'am. But we all know that many students use their mobile only to take their online classes, right? So it is impossible to keep away their mobile, right? And they even can't put their mobile on flight mode because they take online classes also.
Okay, now my another question is, as you said that it provide less individual support. Okay, so what do you think about the pandemic situation like corona? Don't you think at that time e-learning was the boon for the students?
Yeah, you have a nice point, ma'am. Uh, at the time of pandemic, many schools are also providing online education, right? But that was not up to the mark because student can cheat their people easily, and they can use their another mobile and they do many different things instead of studying, and the teacher can control them because they were, and people can't control them on online classes.
Okay. Now my last question is, as you mentioned, it is not good for disabled students. So according to the survey report, 90% disabled children even don't attend the school. A lot of students don't have the capacity to go long, so yeah, or travel long. So don't you think e-learning is beneficial for them?
I am totally agree with you, ma'am. But I am talking about learning disabled people. I am not about physical disabled, right? So there are so many learning disabilities like dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, and ADHD. They people need personal assistance only. Thank you.
Anything else? Okay. So it's right time to end the topic here. So if we conclude the topic, yes, somewhere she is right. E-learning is a boon, and at the time of pandemic, e-learning was very helpful. Students were not able to go to school, so somewhere they were connected with the e-learning with the studies material, right? And as she mentioned the point that the adult people who were able to manage their studies and family and job and all the things, so somewhere e-learning is very helpful. Yes, I totally agree with your point also that students like who are suffering from the disease like dyslexia, dysgraphia, they are not able to manage with the e-learning. They really need the personal assistance. And he also mentioned the point that students were doing cheating. So e-learning was a good platform to learn, but students were not cooperating with the self discipline, and teacher was not able to manage with them, because it's not possible for the teacher to look for each and every student that whether they are doing cheating or not. So the exams were totally disappointed, we can say, because offline classes have different effect, right? And offline classes is much more effect than the e-learning classes. So it was a healthy discussion with you guys. I'll request to our viewers, if you have any queries, feedback, suggestion regarding their stuff, or if you want to ask them any question, please write it down in the comment section. We always welcome your feedback, and I will request to you guys also that please discuss the GD with your friends, family members, whether for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. We regularly update new GDs, and if you have any new topic, you can suggest us. We will definitely record a GD and we'll show it to you. So till then, please subscribe our channel, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.